Welcome once more to Professor D Trading Academy. This is a video on Ethereum USD, right? I just stumbled on Ethereum USD chart and I saw something quite interesting. I just recorded a video on Bitcoin, explained something which is exactly the same move on Ethereum at the moment, right? And I don't know how many Ethereum investors are out there, how many Ethereum traders are out there. So first things first, looking at the chat right now, if you haven't watched the videos on the RSI, maybe you should watch them to understand what I'm going to be saying, right? Because I'm not going to go too deep into the explanation of what the RSI is going to do or what does it mean or whatsoever. That said, just looking at this chart right now, every student should be that has watched the videos that is in the channel in the academy and has been studying should realize one thing: this market, Ethereum, is overbought. And it being overbought, we are looking at one thing: sell positions, right? Sell positions. We are on a monthly time frame, and Ethereum is on the glorious entry at 90. The strength index on Ethereum at the moment is at 90. The 90 is being taken from the relative strength index here, and the value is right now at 90. Just look at this. It's 9 point something 90. It's 9.007. That said, what does it mean when you see that the relative strength index is this high? You definitely want to sell. So right now, I'm telling you, if you are in Ethereum, today is 19th of May 2021. If you are in Ethereum investment, you want to take your profits. You want to take your profits because this market has two stops, right? First things first, using exponential moving averages, what is the first stop if market gets out of the exponential moving averages? It looks for a way to get to the yellow, then it looks for a way to get to the red, and most likely it looks for a way to get to the market's magnet, which is the aqua. At this point in time, Ethereum is overbought and just slightly touched the yellow. So on a monthly time frame. So let's just look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame has already gone down, right? It was overbought and has started going down, as well as daily time frame has been going down. So what is going to happen is, since this market on a daily time frame and weekly time frame has gone down, but on a monthly time frame, it's still very high. So what is the tendency? The tendency is for this market in the long run, looking at it in in a monthly perspective, this market has to go down in the coming months, right? In the coming months, this market has to go down. In the coming days, we're on a daily time frame right now, this market might still buy, right? This market might still buy. Talking about the chart daily or talking about the chart weekly, this market still has a little space to buy till it gets to the 80, but there is way more space to sell before it gets to the 20. Looking at this same market on the 4 hours time frame, it is oversold, right? As well, really low. But don't get confused. What this means is, on lower time frames, that means if you are just looking at the next, we're on a weekly time frame right now, the next 1, 2, 3 weeks, right? Because each candle presents a week. Because we're on a weekly time frame, each candle presents a week. This market might most likely flop. When we go on a lower time frame, on a daily time frame, this market might mostly high, will most likely buy. So now I'm going to tell you guys the short story. Ethereum USD, the RSI wants to do this, wants to drop. The RSI wants to drop because this market is overbought. As well as, let me please, this turns here, one zone here. There is a huge zone here. I'm just going to share it. So put one there, I'll put one here. All right. That said, here rejection to this level, or rejection to this level, to rejection to the third, right? And the aqua buy position, buy position, buy position. Like I said, the thing is, if this market is buying, I'm sorry, when this market starts selling and gets to our first entry, we want to make sure the RSI right here is low enough. If the RSI is still above here, we do not get into the trade. We do not get into the buy. We want this RSI to actually drop and get to, check this level. We want it to drop and get to, yeah, let me place it here. I'm going to count on this. So in case the RSI drops to this level, 56, mark my words, on Ethereum USD, 56.95. The RSI gets here, we'll most likely see a rejection of price going bullish, because this market is in an uptrend. It's a bullish market. We expect Ethereum to create higher highs and higher lows, but that's not just going to happen on one. It's not a one-way street, right? This thing has to come down. Market's overbought, it has to come down before going up. This market is very simple to analyze. Overbought, take your profits, wait for the next investment opportunity, and there we are good to go. Thank you so much. If this video was helpful, share with your friends, share with your family, and as well, you can contact me. My information are below there. You can contact me, ask your questions. I'm open to help, and that's it. Thank you for watching.